So here is a little quick cleaning video, the aftermath after Christmas and Nathan's birthday. If you guys did not know, Nathan's birthday was on the 23rd and obviously Christmas was the 25th. So we slept over at my mom's on the 24th. So obviously that's why our house has been a little messy. So this is an overview. So here's the couches. Here is Nathan's room and my room, of course. He's eating. Bathroom. And kitchen. And Jonathan's sleeping right now in the other room. So as you guys can see, it is really messy. The clothes on the couch are clean, so I need to fold them. And yeah, and I hate folding clothes. Who doesn't, right? Who does not hate folding clothes? But yeah, oh, that's my Christmas presents from my hubby. Well, it's actually our Christmas present because we're both gonna use it, but I've been wanting a TV for the living room for so long and I finally got it. So my Christmas present. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys me folding the clothes because it's gonna take too long, but I'll show you the rest of the cleaning. Okay, so I'm done folding the clothes finally. Jeez, it still looks messy, but the clothes are gone and put away. That's the dirty one now. So say hi. Hey, Papa. So now I'm just gonna clean everything, and this part I am gonna show you guys. Ow, he just headbutted me. Oh. He's eating chocolate. So let's get the speed cleaning going.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance. time, I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.